Welcome to the fourth and final course in our applied machine learning specialization. In this course, we're going over how to get the most from your machine learning projects. You'll see how to develop a machine learning strategy for your business, moving beyond individual successes into a long-term growth plan. We'll also cover how to monitor and maintain your question-answering machines once they're out there in the real world. You'll be able to define and implement your own strategy for ongoing machine learning success. The first week is all about strategy. We'll go over how you, as a business owner and influencer, can evaluate your business's machine learning readiness, focus development where it needs to be, and build up a team. You'll be able to incorporate machine learning into your wider business strategy and turn each machine learning project into fuel for future growth. The next week takes a step back and looks at the impact of machine learning beyond your business. How can your decisions for each experimental project impact society and the wider world? We'll talk about your responsibilities as machine learning practitioners, the importance of thoughtful, well-rounded metrics, and what legal issues impact our success. Next, we turn back to technical considerations and how your question-answering machines behave once they're out there doing their job. We'll cover all the things you need to consider when integrating a machine learning model into a real-world system. You'll be able to develop a practical plan for how to deal with life beyond the lab and how to communicate your success. Finally, we lay out the second phase of machine learning projects, how to think about development and maintenance as part of a complete system. We'll go over how to monitor and manage your qualm's health and when and how to update it completely. With this course, we reach the end of our machine learning journey, from definitions and overarching view of the process and designing good questions in Course 1, to the dive into supervised learning and how these models are actually built in Course 2, to a detailed look at data and how to use it to succeed in Course 3, and finally, here, where we look at strategy and how to successfully monitor and improve your living projects. So without further ado, let's talk big picture machine learning optimization.